Hi guys, welcome back to another brand new unboxing, and today we'll be unboxing the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, which is in the arbor green color. And yes, I am shooting this before like 2 days earlier to the grand reveal of the Gear 5 of Luffy. Big fan. Yo. Let's get to the unboxing. Kakashi, can I borrow that kunai? I got my hand in the kunai. Let's unbox. So guys, this is how the box looks. Here we have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 Arbor Green branding. Here, as you can see, it says high-res audio wireless. The MRP mentioned on the box is 13,999. Manufacturing date is of November 2022. Or if you want to pause the video and read the things, you can read it. On the sides we get OnePlus and Dynaudio branding. Let's unbox. ऐसे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, but I love using this kunai, so come on Kakashi, what is this? Haven't you sharpened it for a while? Yeah, I guess that's it. Let's stop this off. OnePlus की unboxings हमेशा से काफ़ी प्रीमियम और अच्छी लगती है. Here, as we open this, it says Buds for Life. Let's see what will come inside this. So we get the red cable club ka card, as we get in all the OnePlus devices, mobile वगैरह में भी. Here's the QR if you want to claim a gift, welcome gift. इसमें melody boost, dual drivers, what all is there in the. So it says hi there.
What if I told you it's effortlessly to unlock a new impressive sound experience that fits into your pocket? When you put on the brand new OnePlus Buds Pro 2, this is exactly what you can expect with its evolved melody boost dual driver technology. Brings every sound back to nature. Allow every emotion to be heard. It's time to press play and enjoy the pure harmony we have tailored for you. Never settle. It says speed. It's a really nice signature.
This is कागज पत्ते जो हमको बिल्कुल काम में नहीं आएंगे. Let's set all of these aside. This is how the buds look. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है. The color, I must say, it's amazing. So you get this OnePlus का engraved thing. Dynaudio is printed on this. Let's open these. Amazing. The color is really amazing. Co-created with Dynaudio. Oh, nice. Let me show you how the one looks. The build quality feels very nice, very premium. Let me also check the other one. जैसे मैंने इसको ओपन किया अभी, मेरा मोबाइल तुरंत पैर होने लगा, तो the cut that you see before, it was of that. If you see a cut in the video, these look very good. Let me see if there is something else in the box. I know I'm struggling, but this is the first time I've opened these. So the box is very good. We have a Type-C charging port here. We have an LED indicator right here. We got a button inside that you see. If I open karunga, it will start pairing with my mobile, which I would not like. Let me see, do we get anything? So we have touch area. Okay, it also tells us about the touch area that we have. So these all are not the pressure sensitive ones. It are like we have to squeeze them, we have to pinch them to use. Let's see what's inside the box. So we get some extra ear tips here for small and large size. The medium would already be fixed on the thing. So nice. Let me put this aside again. The last thing that we get in the box would be the charging cable, I suppose. Okay, I broke it. Did I? No, I had to do that. So here is the cable. It's not too long, but I guess the guys who already have the OnePlus phones वो अपने पुराने चार्जर को यूज करके चार्ज करेंगे. So guys, that's it for the unboxing of this OnePlus Buds Pro 2 that was in arbor green color. The color is really amazing. I don't know if the camera is doing the justice of showing the color or not. It looks amazing. Chalo guys, bye bye, see ya. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video. Peace.